This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Swindell. Historic craftsman home west/lots of charm and a great floor plan. Huge front porch/sunroom can be enjoyed year-round. First floor large live room west/original built-in bookshelves and decorative fireplace, spacious dining room, kitchen west/eat-in space, other front room west/French doors can be bedroom, office, den etc. Hall leads to full bath and bedroom bed. Spacious upstairs hosts primary bedroom west/updated ensuite bath and private deck, large hall bath and two other nice-sized bedrooms. Partially fenced corner lot, storage shed and added accessibility west/ramp. Easy interstate access and the tide just blocks away. New energy-efficient solar panels installed 2020. For more information, review the details below.